So in this training, I'm going to teach you how to make $10 million per month. Just kidding. Looking for a garage cook scheme? Leave this video. Next couple of minutes could change your life. Josh back from eCom Beginner. So learn from professional marketers how they actually make money online. No more clickbait, no more spamming. Not sure how to get customers on demand? Nervous about pulling the trigger? Not profiting consistently? There's a better way. The exact system we use to build a 7-figure businesses. We help clients to quit their day jobs, travel around the world, 100K per month empires, and working from home. Direct access to the training from highly successful internet marketers. I turned $11 into $650,000 in just 8 months. With the skills we're about to teach you. Transform my life, so pay close attention. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Does it really work? Check out some of the amazing results from real people. Now, the training works. The most valuable skill you'll ever learn is to master sales. The skills to turn this into your career full time. Is this training necessary? It is nearly impossible to learn traffic and conversions by yourself. It comes down to how your brain learns. The feedback loop. Imagine you're writing code to create a software. If you wrote the code correctly, success. If there is a mistake in the code, failure. This is called an instant feedback loop. Now imagine if you had to wait weeks or months to know if your code works. That would be an insanely long feedback loop. You can't learn like that. Online marketing and SEO have super long feedback loops. So this is why eCom Beginner was created, an instant feedback. We have a winning formula. Get it right the first time. Learn directly from the experts. Learn from the eCom Beginner. How does it work? The goal is to have 300 per day in the next 30 days. I will show you my successful business model, which enabled me to earn 1 million in 12 months, and you'll be able to read all the emails if you're really serious. And we'll invite you to the eCom Beginner. Over-the-shoulder coaching from experts who are making 6 and 7 figures online, and a never-ending archive of marketing training, from the absolute basics to advanced techniques, building a funnel, offering a product, advanced free and paid traffic methods, ninja outsourcing, step-by-step format. For all experience levels, webinars with our coaches, and ask them anything you want. It's only $37 per month, $1.20 per day. To increase your income by hundreds of thousands, this promotion won't last. So you got to act now. So it's not going to be 500, this is the price for a kind of training which we had. The whole point of this was we wanted to create the best training that will get you results, but we're only offering it for just $37 per month, which is just $1.20 per day. For everything you need to succeed online, the winning formula. So check out the endless success stories below, and there's a 30-day no question asked refund guarantee. So if you are not wowed by the content, you'll get a refund quickly. It's that simple. We're doing something special. Some might call us crazy. If you don't make your investment back, we'll send you $200. That's how confident we are. Don't play whack-a-mole with your career. Sign up for eCom Beginner, 100% risk-free. 1/5 of the normal price. A complete resource with expert mentors, and learn the proven system from the best in the world. So see you on the inside.